Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into CRV Coin, why I'm buying at 53 cents, and where I think the price is headed next. If you're interested in CRV's potential, stick around until the end. CRV, or Curved Dow Token, is showing strong signs of a reversal and is gearing up for a potential breakout. With a market cap of $727 million and a daily trading volume of $190 million, it's available on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Crypto.com. Looking at the charts, CRV has broken through a key resistance level and turned it into support. This is a bullish signal, and the recent price movement confirms it. After a 14% pump in a single candle, CRV is retracing slightly. The best entry points are between 49 and 53 cents, making it a great opportunity for long-term positions. So, how high can CRV go? After some consolidation, a move towards 72 cents is likely, which would be about a 40% gain. Based on current trends, this could happen within the next 3 to 4 weeks, possibly by April. Looking at a larger time frame, the RSI is rising steadily, showing there's still plenty of room for upside movement. This is my analysis on CRV Coin, but always do your own research before making any trading decisions. Let me know in the comments. Are you buying CRV at 53 cents? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.